For the Chapter 1 performance task, you're going to be working with a problem where you're doing a treasure map challenge. The instructions and how to complete the task are really well laid out for you. One of the first things you're going to do is plot what is called a safety zone. You're given the coordinates that are marked here. A is -4 and 2. B is 2 and 6. Remember, the X is always first, the Y is second. C is 6 and 0. And D is 0 and -4. Then you're instructed to connect those points. I would suggest using a ruler, being as straight as possible. And from there, you're going to be asked to do a little bit of description on the shape you see, what it is. Then you're going to be asked to find the midpoint between points A and C using the midpoint formula. So you're going to draw or basically have a diagonal. You don't have to draw it, but you will need to label the midpoint using that formula. Be sure to show your calculations and go from there. Then you're going to calculate the perimeter of this shape. In the normal coursework, we talked about doing perimeter of rectangles and squares. This is a little bit of an odd shape, so you're going to calculate the perimeter using a similar formula, doing the distances from each point, A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A, and then adding those up. Then you're going to calculate the area using what is called a shoelace formula. So you're going to take your points and list them. Starting with A, you're going to take the x value of A, -4, and multiply it by the y value of B. The formula is written out for you. It's pretty easy to do. And you're going to calculate that. You're going to use the absolute value and multiply by a half to find the area. Again, you're going to show your steps. If you have any difficulties doing the area, let me know. Then we're going to incorporate some angle pairs that we learned about in Chapter 1. So you're going to be given some instructions to do with that, to identify and explain. As you go on, finally you're going to locate the treasure. You'll be given a piece of graph paper in order to do this. The treasure is going to be located using the distance formula and following some hints as you go on. Again, the thing we're looking for as I grade these are, number one, the precision or work that you show. So be sure to show all works and all points. Number two is going to be your reasoning or the steps that you took and explaining why and how you did things. So what you're going to deliver as a final for this is graph paper with all points, segments, and labels clearly marked. And then you're going to do a written explanation for each of the 6 steps that are involved, showing your calculations and your reasoning as outlined above. So when you look at it, each thing is going to have you explain something or identify and explain as you go on.